Hey everyone, John here, founder of Design Space, a proudly New Zealand-made platform that helps small business thrive on social media with the power of AI and a smart design tool. Let's talk about why social media is an absolute game changer for all small businesses. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram give you direct access to your customers, allowing you to build relationships, grow your brand, and drive sales, all without a huge marketing budget. Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, provides incredible tools for businesses. You can create a professional business page in just minutes. Simply go to Facebook, click Create Page, choose your category, and fill out the important details: your business name, contact info, and a great profile and cover image, which you can create easily on Design Space. Once your page is set up, posting consistently is the key. That's where scheduling comes in. Meta's Business Suite allows you to plan and schedule posts ahead of time for both Facebook and Instagram, ensuring you stay active and engaged with your audience without being glued to your phone all day. Just upload your content, choose the date and time, and let Meta handle the rest. Design Space makes this even easier by helping you create high-quality social media content quickly. Our AI tools generate engaging captions, eye-catching images, and even logos, all in a matter of minutes. Plus, our background remover and brand asset storage features ensures your posts look professional and consistent every time. So if you're ready to take your social media presence to the next level, save time, and grow your business, head over to designspace.co.nz and see how we can help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what's the first thing you want to post on social media. See you next time.